As presentation software, what makes Jamboard really special is collaboration. So anyone who has the link can add sticky notes, can move images around, can change images, can add images, or can write using the pen tools. Now, if I want to share my class, I just share to Classroom, and I've got a separate video for that, but just sharing it between other staff members. If you go to share, as normal, you get the usual options. You can choose who you're going to target share it with, so you can put them in and decide what level of access they have, or you can put the link online. So get the link and just copy and paste that link anywhere, and then people can access it. Now, restricted, which is by default means I have to share it with people as normal. Driffield Junior School means that anyone in our organisation can be a viewer, but I could upgrade that to being an editor. So anyone with that link who has a Driffield Junior School account can edit my file. Or if I want to make it out there for anyone in the world, I could set it this way. Now, at the moment, they could just view what's going on, so they could watch me and live teach on it or move things around. Or if I made it to edit, they could contribute as well. So at this point, I've now got a link that I can copy and paste. I can make a QR code out of it. I could put it on a website. I could put it in my classroom, and anyone who gets that can edit it. So I could be watching in real time as people are editing and moving around the sticky notes. One thing to be worth remembering is that the sticky notes are a really powerful tool, but the most recent one comes to the top. So if we put I am your father on there and make that into a nice pink colour, that immediately becomes the highest leveled sticky notes. A bit like when you're looking at sticky notes or objects in slides and you talk about orders, the most recently produced one is the top level. So see how that sticks above the rest of them there. If I want to put them all to the back, I just click on my picture of Darth and that puts him to the top layer. So the most recently clicked thing becomes the top layer. So there we go. That is sharing and collaborating with Jamboard. Again, it can all happen in real time. You could all be doing it at the same time using the pen tools or sticky notes, or even just adding pictures, or even working on different frames. Just as normal share, unless you want to share it with your class, in which case use Classroom.